can finally do this.
Mama should get a green screen.
I put the block out, talk shit, but when they see me, it's a cop out. They don't get the big picture, they get cropped out. Styles on them like somebody bought the locks out. Headlines horse and I bring Fox out. If it's a complex, then I bring the Crocs out. Might take a gal, man, I know the ops out. Them bright, fuck I look like.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, well, no, I'm not gonna say old because I just started my channel, but if you've been messing with me, these last couple of videos, thank you and welcome back to my channel. So today, I just want to come on and talk about this hair that I currently have on my head. It is a wig that I made. The inches is weird, but the inches are 20 and 18, and my closure, I bought that. Dang, what is the? I put it down in the description box on what closure I used, but I used a closure. It was a 4x4. I think it was one of my old ones I had on one of my old wigs. I just took it off. So, but my closure is probably about a 12-inch. So I got 20, 18, and a 12-inch closure in my head. So y'all, this hair is pretty. The name of it is Moisture Remy. I got a 20-inch. Well, my 20-inch was I got two different colors too. My 20-inch was a 2, and my 18-inch was a 1. And I did that because they didn't have any 18 inches in a 2. So yeah, I just want to come on and show the hair. I put some little curls in it. I'm very proud of myself. Like, I really think I did good. It, like, even with my baby hair, it's like, y'all, I finally did the ball cap method and it came out right. Finally. But yeah, this is the hair up close. Also, that Remy Illusion hair that I bought, baby, that Remy Illusion, I did not like that. The burgundy, I don't know if it's supposed to mimic Remy hair, but it don't. I don't know what that was. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I got distracted. Kids in the house.
You want me to put it on?
Mara, if you want to, please.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to make a video. Okay, so about my hair. It's hard to part it. Like, even with me wetting it up, trying to get the hair a little sleek so I can pull it apart, it frizzed up. Like, instead of down here where the curls still look into one, it looked more frizzier up here. So I think if when they make it into the closure part, they need to pre-part it already so the curls can get big by their self. Yeah, but I haven't worn it or nothing. It just, I don't like it. I don't like it. I mean, everybody got their own opinions on stuff. So maybe I give it away or throw it in trash, keep it. I can cut and play with it a little bit, I guess. Yeah. So, hold on, y'all. I'm all over the place. Like I was saying with this hair, it's Remy Yankee. The prices were 20-inch. $18. Yeah, not 18. $90. 18. $70. And you have to buy them separate. It's not a buy one get one free. So the the hair, it curls. I cut it a little bit, caught myself trying to do layers, child. Knowing I barely know what I'm doing. Yet, but I'm gonna get there. So I wine curled it. So you know the wines, they're gonna fall a little bit. It comes, I got on black. Right here. On me. So it's long. Y'all see it?
Wait, Dad, why do you have fucked up that you
You talking to me? What? I just love it. I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, this is the hair. I made it myself. I'm extremely proud of myself. Also, I forgot to say, when you get the weaving cap to sew your spandex on, get the mesh. I really feel as if though the mesh stretches more than the spandex caps. And they are easy to sew on. I just noticed that with the last 2 weeks I had, because I made them on 2 different caps. But I'm proud of this. Y'all shall be getting more videos. Drop something below on some styles I can try. As y'all can see, I'm really a middle part girl. I wear side part sometimes, but I don't like it. So yeah, y'all, I'm extremely proud of myself. And rest in peace to my little cousin, Duda. Let me step back so y'all can get the whole vibe. The whole. You get it. You see it. Yes. But thank y'all for watching my channel. I shall be back with more videos sometime this week. I might try to make a wig tomorrow. I feel like making one. So why not? I don't know what it's gonna be yet, but y'all already know. I'm gonna put it up. So thank y'all for watching my channel. Like I said, if you're new, welcome. Thank you for coming. If you've been rocking with me for the last couple of months now, because I'm new to the game, thank you. Welcome back. I love you so much. Thank y'all for watching my channel.